Hello, everyone. During the Brain Pop session yesterday, I was asked a question on if I already have classes in Brain Pop, how do I get the code to those classes that have already been created? So I figured out how you would do that. So in the session, we were in a course and we created an external link to Brain Pop. So let's go to that link. And as a teacher, as you go to this external link, again, this is for those who ask the question, hey, I already have classes created. How do I just get the class code to the classes that are created? So I'm going to log in as a teacher. It's going to pick a school here. If you're asked to pick a school, again, just pick your school, type in your school name. It'll pop up. But I'm going to log in as a teacher and show you how to do that. So once you get logged in, see I'm logged in here, my name's here. If you go over the dashboard, hit the drop down menu and hit teacher dashboard. And if you scroll down, you'll see if you already have classes created, you'll see all of those classes, but you guys want to grab the uh, codes for those classes for your students. So what you can do is go to all classes. And then I have to right click. You may be able to just click on the name of the class, but I have to right click. So right click on the class that you want to get the code for. So I'm just going to right click on Pipkins period 4. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open up the link in a new tab. Open link in new tab. When I hit that, if I scroll to the top, here's my new tab here that just popped up open. I'm going to click on it. And there is the code for that class, okay? And you can copy and paste this in your updates in Schoology and send that to your students for that particular class if you choose to do so. So again, if you have classes already set in BrainPop, you can do that as well. Let me do another class here. So again, I went to dashboards, I clicked on teacher dashboard, and I came down and I hit all classes and all of my classes showed up. And I just pick a class and I will right click on that class and open link in new tab. So the new tab pops up here where my mouse is. If I click on that, we should get the class code. That opened up the class, my apologies. All right, so let's right click again. And let's see if we get that class code now. Going up to the top, there we go. So now that class code is showing. So again, right click and open in a new tab. And this is your class code for that class. And you can submit that to the students in that class in your updates. Also remember, if you assign an assignment to students and you forget to do this step, if your students log in through Clever, it will take them straight to where they need to go. So again, you can click on one of your courses, right click on it, and get the class code and send that out to them, and then send it out to the students through updates or whatever course you need to send it through. Students will get that class code and be able to get your assignments that you assign to them. A workaround to that is simply giving the assignments to the students and then telling them to log in through their Clever account. If they log into BrainPop through their Clever account, then they will be able to access it as well. So again, this is how you get those course codes if you already have courses set up for you in BrainPop.